The SNS JU, Smart Networks and Services, is a research program basically for 6G communication systems. We are all using 4G, 5G is currently introduced, and 6G is something that is coming at the end of this decade. So it's important that we already start now the research in this area to be sure that we have the technologies ready by that time necessary for the society, for the economy, for the different services, for different industries. And that's something that we have to develop. We also have to make sure that our industry will be competitive, that we have a good position as we have today. So it's worth investing in this kind of research now.
What's unique about it is it's this public-private partnership. So a lot of the funding comes from the public side, from the European Commission, but it's also equally run by the private side, by European industry. And this means that we can make sure we're looking at the right problems, that we are creating the right technology for European industry going forward. And the other unique advantage we have is being here in Europe. It can be a truly collaborative program or projects. And that is because geopolitically, everyone is happy to come and work with European players. But obviously that's not a luxury a lot of the other regions in the world have. So we can bring together all the key actors from around the world here. So we can really create then that pre-standardization consensus of what 6G technology should be.
We have already thought about the roadmap. What is important for SNS that we also have the budgetary commitment so that we can actually now plan a roadmap that will then be followed during the next years. And basically it's about working towards the standards that are now coming up. That's in the first phase. And then also preparing the concept for 6G, so for the next generation. Then the technology building blocks that we can develop in parallel, so that they can then also start in the standards that start to develop 2025, 2026, and so that we're ready with the technology end of the decade.